Hello and welcome to Prism Prints. I'm Ben, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a base for your miniatures. I also share more on releasing my first miniature base pack, as well as a promo code for Shapelab, so make sure to stick around till the end. Starting in Scene mode in the Create menu, select the cube. Increase the polygon density and round off the cube vertically. This will create a cylinder. Next, lower the Y ratio and taper the top edge inward however much you like. Now, in the Create menu, keep the same settings and reset the taper to 0%. Place the object at the scene origin and scale down so it is slightly smaller in diameter than the tapered portion of the base. Move the cylinder vertical on the Y-axis until it is just embedded in the top of the tapered base. In the Boolean Object menu, select the tapered base as Polymesh Object A, making it a blue color. Then, select the cylinder on top as Polymesh Object B, making it pink. When applying the subtract Boolean operation, it should leave an impression which I think gives it a decorative element that also frames whatever environment you choose to build on top nicely. This is the general base I like to use for my sculpts, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful if you're looking to design your own bases. If you're just looking for a base to download and print, this STL is free on Printables, MakerWorld, Cults 3D, My Mini Factory, and Thingiverse. These links are all in the pinned comment below. I like creating bases for my sculpts that help enhance the finished miniature. Whether it's just making space for some static grass or modeling mountains, giving your mini an environment to be part of really adds to the wow factor. With that said, if you're looking for new bases for your minis or would just like to show some support, I designed a base pack which includes 4 different environments. An alien terrain with otherworldly dunes and exotic flora. I think this could be built up for an underwater scene as well. A cave-like environment with stalagmites and rocky ground. An icy biome that could also work as a crystal-covered scene. And finally, a jagged gorge running through the land, perfect for a peaceful river or flowing lava in the cracks of obsidian. All of these bases were made using the base from this tutorial, so they will all match and look nice next to one another. They also have the Prism Prints logo engraved on the bottom. If you would like to download this pack for yourself, which also supports me directly, it's available on Cults 3D for just $1. The link is in the description as well as the pinned comment. This is just my first pack, so please let me know if you have any ideas for base designs you'd like to see in future packs. Finally, if you are looking to try Shapelab out for yourself, my promo code will make it a total of 35% off. Use SL Prism when you purchase either the subscription or perpetual license on their website. If you're buying it on the Meta Store, it's SL Prism-A0B9F3. This information is also in the description if you're interested. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope the tutorial was helpful, and I hope you all like my first miniature base pack. If you enjoy this type of content and want to show support, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again, have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.